In late December 2021, Iran staged one of its most ambitious military exercises, the Great Prophet 17 War Games. Spanning land, sea, air, and missile forces, these drills showcased a chilling scenario, an attack on the Zionist regime's weapons of mass destruction center. The Great Prophet series of war games are designed to test Iran's readiness for conflict, especially against its main rival, Israel. During Great Prophet 17, Iranian forces simulated a direct strike on Israel's nuclear and WMD facilities. For years, Tehran has warned that such sites pose a grave danger to the region. The exercise was a message. Iran not only has the capability to defend itself, but also to take the battle directly to strategic targets if war ever breaks out. The footage begins with ballistic missile batteries primed for launch. Radar arrays scan the skies, drones feed live images, and mobile launchers roar to life. Seconds later, waves of precision-guided missiles streak into the sky, leaving fiery trails that illuminate the night. Each missile is aimed at a simulated WMD facility, hardened underground bunkers, command centers, and storage depots. Explosions ripple across the desert test zone, with towering fireballs and shockwaves meant to mirror the destruction of a real strike. It is more than just a drill. It is a rehearsal, a warning to Tel Aviv that Iran's missile arsenal can bypass defenses and strike deep into sensitive sites. Why target a WMD center in these war games? The symbolism is clear. Israel's alleged nuclear arsenal has long been a source of tension in the Middle East. By simulating an attack, Iran sends two messages. First, that it has identified the weak points in Israel's critical infrastructure. And second, that it can mobilize a multi-layered assault, drones, cruise missiles, and long-range ballistic systems working together in a synchronized strike. The exercise demonstrates not just firepower, but strategic thinking, an ability to wage hybrid warfare, mixing technology, precision, and psychological impact. The Great Prophet 17 war games were as much about perception as they were about preparation. The images of missiles slamming into mock targets, of command centers tracking simulated Israeli defenses, were designed to resonate across the region. To allies, Iran showed resolve and technological progress. To adversaries, it issued a warning. No facility is beyond reach, no weapon is untouchable. The simulation of destroying a WMD center was the ultimate statement that deterrence is not one-sided, and escalation comes at a price. As the dust settled on the desert range, Iran declared Great Prophet 17 a success. The attack on the mock WMD facility stood out as the centerpiece, a symbolic strike against the Zionist regime's most guarded assets. 5 minutes of firepower, strategy, and message-making. More than just a war game, it was a glimpse into the future of regional conflict and a reminder that in the Middle East, even drills can shake the balance of power.